What should I do if resetting my thermostat doesn't fix the problem?
Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to discuss what you can do if resetting your thermostat hasn't solved the problem. Resetting your thermostat is often the first step towards troubleshooting any issues, but if that doesn't work, don't worry, there are other options you can explore. Remember, always stay safe when dealing with electrical appliances.
Check the power source.
If resetting your thermostat doesn't work, it could be due to a problem with its power source. First, check to see if the thermostat is receiving power. If your thermostat runs on batteries, try replacing them. For hardwired thermostats, check your circuit breaker or fuse box to see if the circuit has tripped or a fuse has blown.
Inspect the wiring.
Over time, the wiring to your thermostat can become loose or corroded. Checking the wiring can be another step in your troubleshooting process. To do this, carefully remove the cover of your thermostat and visually inspect the wires. If they seem loose, corroded, or frayed, you might need to replace or repair them. Please note, if you are not comfortable working with wiring, it's always best to consult with a professional electrician or HVAC technician.
Evaluate the thermostat's placement.
The location of your thermostat can significantly impact its functionality. Ensure your thermostat is not in a location where it can be affected by extreme temperature changes, such as near windows, doors, or heat sources. If it is, it may give inaccurate readings and cause your heating or cooling system to run inefficiently.
Check your HVAC system.
Sometimes, the problem may not be with the thermostat itself, but rather with the HVAC system. Check for issues like a dirty air filter, problems with the ductwork, or issues with the heating or cooling unit itself. Again, if you're not sure how to check these, it's best to call a professional. There you have it. Those are the steps you can take if resetting your thermostat doesn't fix the problem. Remember, dealing with thermostats and HVAC systems can sometimes require professional knowledge. Don't hesitate to call a technician if you feel it's beyond your skill level. We hope you found this video helpful, and please stay safe out there.